entrance coaching school, like Toshin school, and you have to spend like 5 to 6 months, and it's really costly, like Jumanian. Yeah, Jumanian. So the rural students cannot go university because their average income only $100. That means Ichimanian, their parents' income. So how can they send their kids to the high school, like the university? So only 20% of the city students, they can go university, but 80% of students, they cannot go university because of that big difference.
都会に住んでいる人たちの教育の、レベルだとかですね、システムっていうのが全く違って、地方の人たちはほとんど教育機会ないし、金額的にもね、高すぎると、なかなか地方の人たちが払えないと、そういう問題があるんですね。で、例えば10万円をね、大学入るの10万円かかるとか、そういうお金がとてもじゃないけど準備できないから、地方の人たちは初めから諦めてしまう。
So what we can do before that, actually basically I also came from very rural area in Bangladesh, and since I visited my house last month, and only me last 45 years that got chance to top university in Bangladesh in my hometown, only me last 45 years. So what we can do in Dhaka University, I found one of my friend, he from Waseda University in Japan. His name is Mr. Saisha Sushi, and we made small research. His name is Mr. Saisha Sushi. He published last week the book about our project book, the education book. Okay, I will show you again. So I found him, and we made together, and we went to Grameen Ginko, Grameen Bank, and as an internship student, and then we made a policy, we made a strategy that what we can do for rural students in Bangladesh, and what is the best solution, because they don't have any teacher, they don't have any school, they don't nothing. So what we can do for them? But best teacher cannot go village, rural area, because it's impossible. Best teacher always expensive and not easy to get in the rural area. So we found the best toy, that is the DVD education, DVD education system.
それでですね、彼のマヒン君の場合は、1年復帰してね、なんか神の啓示があったみたいでですね、試験の3回戦がないからほとんど徹夜でですね、やって受かったんですね。で、ダッカ大学っていうのは毎年、2000人ぐらい受けるのかな。で、200人、7500人で受かるのは200人。彼は11番で受かったそうです。で、ものすごいんですよ。で、その時に入ってからね、これこの教育の差、他に行くと勉強の機会があるしお金になるんだけど、地方に行くと学校そのものがないと、どうしてあがいても入らないんですよ。で、彼の場合は彼の裏から45年間で彼が初めてだそうですよ、ダッカ大学に入ったのは。で、これは何とかしなきゃいけないということで、たまたまダッカ大学に入った時に日本人の早稲田大学から来てるこの西翔君っていうのがいてね、これ彼今ベストセラーになってますけど、ここに出てるのがマヒン君で2人でね一緒にやったんですけど、どうすればいいかということで、じゃあ DVD の使ったね教育にやろうということで、猪瀬さんでのグラミー銀行創設者ねに会いに行ったりしたそうです。
So why public university is very important in Bangladesh? I would like to say. That means the public university in Bangladesh is really free education, totally free, even dormitory also free. But the most difficult is thing that 75,000 students fight only for 200 seats in Dhaka University. So if you get chance to Dhaka University or any public university, at least you will get a good job after completing your graduation. So that's why that university is very famous. So after meeting with Mr. Saisha Sushi and taking the internship from Grameen Bank, and then we found that every district of Bangladesh, more than 40,000 good teacher shortage. Not good teacher, actually the teacher shortage in Bangladesh, more than 40,000 every district. And then we thought we have to do the DVD education system like Toshin model. But Toshin is the like internet, but we thought now our process is only DVD, because DVD is very very easy to send the students. So we found the best teacher, and we found that school, that is the very famous school in Bangladesh and in the city, Dhaka city. And we found from the school we found the best teacher. He is a teacher in Bengali, He's now still is teacher of Dhaka University. So Mr. Sorry. And let's go. And he's the Mr. Kutubi Jahan, the famous teacher in Dhaka. He's a professor. So we found that 3 teachers in the top market, and we made a contact that this is your social business. If you support us to make the DVD contents, we can support the kids in the rural area of Bangladesh. Sensei. I'm sorry. It's
ですね、ダッカ大学って国立大学はね、ほとんど無料です。ね、で無料で寄宿舎生活も無料でですね、本当に恵まれてます。だけど入れない。で一番の大きな原因は各村に、4、5万人の生徒がいますけれども、先生がほとんどいない。で仕方ないんで、彼らは一生懸命考えて、さっきダッカに市内にある、有名な進学の、ね、先生がいると、そういうところの授業を DVD の形に落とし込んで、その DVD を配ったらいいだろうと。で実は彼はパソコンをたくさん探してまして、私もこの間仲間と2人で5台持って行って差し上げてきたんですね。1台のパソコンで3人の人が交代交代に DVD を使って勉強するんです。でその後に、いろんなものを持っていったんですけども、とにかく彼はそういうことを考えて、なんとそれは3年ぐらい前から始めたんですけど、彼が22、3歳の頃そういう組織作ってしまったってことなんですよ。で政府に働きかけたり、いろんな人に働きかけて、実際に始めちゃった学校が集まる。
So after making the DVD contents from the best teacher in Dhaka, and then in 2009 we started our journey, and 2010 we went my hometown first in 2010, and using this ship and made a small school for the first in 2010, and then we found 35 students, my village. But first time they didn't believe us, because this is very innovative and very new thing. How it possible? Because traditional system in class, teacher and students always direct. But this is the DVD. About how it possible to get lecture from DVD. So they surprised, but we managed the 35 students at first our school, and then we started our class.
マヒン君の村に行ってきました。で彼が今言ったのは、一番最初2010年に学校を作ったんだけど誰も信用しない。普通はこう対面式で先生と生徒やるじゃないですか。で DVD で教えるって言ったらみんなびっくりしちゃって、ありえないんじゃないかっていうのが3年前ですね。そこから彼はどんどん作っていくんです。今4つ学校を作ってます。
So out of 35 students, only we found the five female, because in Bangladesh, the village area, the female cannot go outside for study. This is our tradition actually. But primary and secondary is very good. But in the higher secondary and in university level is very low, like 20% to 15% of female going to university. So that's a big difference. But we tried to get some female, and we made their parents, and they agreed with us. Only 5 female joined our school, the first class, and our school started from May in 2010.
それで最初ね、35人の若者が入ったんだけど、女性はわずか5名だったと。でご承知通りね、イスラムの世界ですよね。女性は教育しちゃいけ勉強に行っちゃいけない。で自分の家から出ちゃいけない。顔も隠せということで、なかなかですね、アンバサダー来れた。拍手お願いします、皆さん。新藤さん、ちょっと横で話をしてあげて。はい、通訳頼みます。アンバサダー、from please. And Shindo-san will translate.
Oh, yes.
Maybe here. それでです、女性はその後少しずつ増えていくんですけど、やっぱりなかなか難しさがあって、でも皆さん、一番大事なこと言いますね。松下村塾じゃない、松下村塾ってありましたね。明治維新の時に起爆剤となった若者集団は、やっぱり22、3歳の人たちが若い人をしてたと。で、非常に若い集団でね、彼もまだ20とか3年前だから22、3歳でもう17、8歳の若者を大量に集めてね、で教育し始めたということなんですね。だから今私たちは明治維新の松下村塾みたいなところにあるっていうことですね。彼がその位置にあるっていうことですね。 そこのところよく考えながら聞いてください。
So after starting our class, and then after 2 months later, we found that the average of the students' talents, that means the study progress, 20% increase than before starting the class.
From Bangladesh.
So DVD education, not only DVD education, that kind of education that if you don't understand, you can review a lot of times. And at the same time, we supported the lecture sheet also, lecture sheet and also DVD lecture. So, but after 2 months later, we found that some of the students there are not careful. They don't have any motivation. They don't have any encouragement. But why? And then we found again research. Okay.
最初にね。
And then we found the research again, and then we got the result that the most of the students of poor area, that means rural area, they don't have any aims. They don't have any motivation. They don't have any encouragement. Even they don't know how can they set up their future goal and how can they go university. Even they don't know about Dhaka University too. So what we can do? And then we got a strategy that we should have started the study trip in Dhaka University. And then after 3 months later of our class, we started a small study trip to Dhaka University from village to Dhaka University.
So they have visited?
Yeah,
Oh.
in Dhaka University. It takes like 7 hours from village to
Yeah.
Dhaka University.
Oh.
And after coming to Dhaka University, they met with teachers, the very best teachers, students, and also Dhaka University campus. And then they got very big motivation. And they talked with the teacher. Teacher also encouraged them. So when they back the village, we found that that students, those who don't have any motivation, any encouragement, they started more than 5 times higher. The beginning, before study trip, they only studied only 3 hours to 4 hours. But when they back in Dhaka city, they started to study more than 10 hours. So it was a big impact, the study trip for e-education.
おで DVD でね勉強してるとなかなかこうモチベーションが湧かないっていうかねでもともとその村に住む若者の人たちはダッカ大学っていうのも聞いたこともなかった知らないとでほとんど都会生活も知らないしで、ある時ね彼らが考えてそうだと村のその若者を全員をですねダッカ大学に捨てていこうと言った時のやつがこれ1枚前の写真ですけれどもでこれ船で7時間乗っていくんですけれども釣った湖からこう川を遡っていくんですけどもねあれこれもう1枚戻してくれるこれだこれねこれみんながダッカ大学行った時の写真でこれでみんなが非常に興奮してですねよしやるぞということでまた勉学に励んだそうです。理由はね
So after 5 months later, the university exam held in the public university in Bangladesh, and our 30 students joined the university admission test. But it was dream for them. They are going to university, and then they fought with 75,000 students only for 200 seats. And after 1 month later, the result published, and out of 30 students of e-education, the 1 students get chance to Dhaka University in 2010.
Oh, 2010.
Yeah. So.
すごい
So very interesting that in last 45 years only me in Dhaka University, but within 1 year by DVD lecture, DVD education, 1 student also chance to Dhaka University through e-education by DVD lecture.
ウェルダンすごいね45年で彼が初めてだったけど2010年には1人がダッカ大学入ったとこれ奇跡が起きたってことですねすごい、
So out of 30 students and total 22 students chance to university, public and national university, and one of female, she got a big top university also, the second top university, and then the result published everywhere in Bangladesh. And after that, some of newspapers in Bangladesh, they published about our article about the project success. And then 2011 and 2011 we started project again.
本当新聞で取り上げられたりしてだんだん話題になってきてですねで成果も徐々に出てきてですね毎年、必ず入ってくるようになってきたというところでこれはまた違う写真ですねというところで非常にその大きな成果を生み始めましたと素晴らしいことです。
So e-education also is a good side because in the rural area of Bangladesh, every student they had to support their parents in the harvesting and planting time. But e-education class is very easy because if you participate with your parents in harvesting or planting time in the field, if you join the morning with your parents, but you can join evening time the class.
I see.
So some students sometimes they shifted their class because morning time they have a work with their parents, but afternoon time they join the class. So it's open for all because DVD is very easy innovation and you can use any time in front of the laptop.
I see. DVD はいつでも自分で学べるんで、クラスもね、朝仕事が若い人たちはみんな仕事してもらって夜のクラスに入るとかね、そういう自由度があってきたんでいいと、DVD の良さがうまい形で発揮されたと言いますね。
So 2011 we started our project again, very big, and Watanabe from Japan, he supported me, and that time we got an Watanabe award.
渡辺
Miki Watanabe.
いやいや、渡辺さんね。渡辺フードの渡辺さん。
And he supported me and we started the 4th district, but at that time we failure actually, the project failure, but only 3 place failure, but 1 place we succeed again. And then, すみません。
渡辺フードの渡辺さんが来ていろんな形で支援してくれたんだけども、3カ所は失敗したけど1カ所だけは成功したと言ってましたけど、渡辺さんはもう撤退しちゃったんですけどね。だけどいろんな人が入れ替え立ち替えてやってくれてると。
But end of 2011 we quit Otami because of some planning and decision problem, and then we back his money, and then and he started we project again by ourselves, Mr. Saishu and me, by our pocket, and we published in 2011 our first book, the DDZ book, My. And that book published many places to Bangladesh. And then one of professor from Tokyo University, he emailed to us that he would like to support e-education again. And then he funding for e-education 2012. And we started project again in Bangladesh rural area for 100 villages in 2012.
で2011年にですね、いろんなことあったんだけども、お金をね全部渡辺フードに返して、で自分たちで2人で西条さんなんかと一緒にですね、またいろんな形で動いてお金を集めて2011年にまた再出発しましたと。でまたその e ラーニングが始まったということで、2012年にはこういう本も出たりですね、だんだん有名になってきたんでね、支援者も日本からもたくさん人がいるようになりましたね。そういう形で2012年また再出発してやりましたと。
So in 2010, we found only 5% of female students to our school. But 2012, do you understand how many percentage joined? In 2012, 55%. 55% female joined. Yes. And please, Sensei.
55% 女性の参加率がどんどん増えてきたね。
So in 2012 we found 55% female and more than 500 students joined our school, but because of the seat limitation we have only 250 seats, so we quit 250 and 250 students joined again 2012 our school. And then we started class again, and 2010 and 2011 success students joined our project as a volunteer, and every weekend they're supporting the students in the rural area from Dhaka to in village area. So 2012 more than 250 students joined our project, started our class, and Tokyo University also conducted the impact research on impact evaluation of e-education. And then 2012 we made a big success again, and out of 250 students, our 83% students joined the university. University. 83%.
Joined university.
And 80 students went in Dhaka University. So could you imagine?
8?
Yes, total 8. So could you imagine from my town, from my district in 2010, last 45 years only me. But 2010, 2011, 2012, already 10 students went in the top university in Bangladesh.
4年間で10人も入ったダッカ大学にすごいな。過去4年間で10人もね合計ダッカ大学に入ったと。で 83% のその生徒が大学に入っているということで、これ驚異的で、ダッカ大学だとか他の研究機関もね大学もね調査し始めたと。で DVD の効果ってそんな素晴らしいのかということで、見方がそれを契機にしてガッと増えてるわけですね。
So this year 2013 we started our project again, and we expanded our project for 200 villages, and this year 1,300 students applied for education, but because of seat limitation we have only 280 seats, so we quit more than 800. So Sensor joined last month with us in Bangladesh. That is the opening ceremony of program. You can see that picture. And many students, and this year also 60% female join again the education. So it's becoming very good. But problem this year we also got funding from the Kyoto University. University of Kyoto, they're funding us, and last year Tokyo University also funded us. And this year also research doing again from Kyoto and Tokyo University jointly, and IDB, International Development Economics in Japan. And we expanded our school 4 school, and this year also 300 students join again our school. And we are yes, 300.
Congratulations. ということでですね、ますます成果が上がってきたんで、また東京大学の支援もあったりしてですね、でいろんな人が支援するようになってきて、なんとこれ私が行った時500人が会場に来たんですけども、300人が入ったそうなんですね、今年。この学校はね、彼は4つ持ってますから、そのうちの1つ。で、実は合計1000人の人が来たんだけども、そのパソコンの数が足りないんで、800人はお断りしたと。面倒見れないということで、パソコンの数にかかっているということなんですね。
Actually, we don't have enough pasokon, enough PC, but we using the second-hand PC. We have 4 schools, and every school we have like 7 to 8 PC, and one PC 3 students join that class together. But we changed something from 2010 to 2013. We changed class structure. We made more than 200 DVD lecture, and we find the top best teacher. So we expanded our project very strongly. And also 2012 we got the biggest award from US, University of Texas, and also the Dell International Dell Social Innovation Award. Dell Social Innovation Award 2012. Yeah, Dell Social Innovation Award, and he's the Michael Dell, the Pasokono founder. Dell founder.
これマイケル・デルですね。彼からも特別賞をもらったんですね。マイケル・デル。He has got the award.
So already we awarded 5 awarded. Watanabe Award, Citizen of the Year Award from Citizen Watch Company, and Michael Dell Award. And we expanded our project last year, more than 7 countries. Now we are working in Bangladesh, even since here in Rwanda. Also started 2012. Yeah. We 2011 and 2012 we started Rwanda, and we started the Philippines. Philippines 2 project Manila, and also the rural area. And we started Myanmar. And we started our project in Hungary and Jordan, and also Palestine, Gaza. And now 10 countries, 10 countries supporting us. We started our project, and especially Gaza project supported by UN, United Nations, and Philippines, Myanmar, and Hungary project.
Where?
Manila and another 2 projects in us. So Manila, Philippines, and Myanmar, and also Hungary, supported by Uniqlo, the cloth company. Cloth company. And Bangladesh project supported by Tokyo University and Kyoto University. But last 4 years, the project was totally free for students. But this year, we started to take money from students as a business model. So this year, students pay 50% of total cost. Because the total cost like 4,000 to 5,000 yen. But problem, their maximum parents' income, students' parents' income, only $100, like 8,000 yen per month. Per month, average income. So they cannot pay 8,000, but 4,000 a month. So we made a strategy. Within 4 months, we made the 20 installment. Every week they pay like 100 yen, 100 yen, and then 4 months they pay 50% of cost.
本当？
Yeah.
今までね、この学校、DBDA で教える E エデュケーションの学校なんですけれども、タダでやってましたと。だけど今年からやっぱりビジネスモデルとしてお金を取ることにしましたと。で、トータルコストは4000から5000なんだけども、このお金を払うのがなかなか大変だということで、分割してね、4回5回に分けて、少しずつ100円とか200円とか、そういう形で払っていくように、もらえるようにしましたと。で、50% トータルでみんな払っているそうです。
Sorry, Rwanda project supported by Hitotsubashi University.
Which university?
Hitotsubashi.
Hitotsubashi University.
II, Institute of Innovation Research. And Actually, right now our project is doing very well. In Bangladesh, it's very big demand, since already saw. But we are planning. Many companies are offering us to expand our project, like more than 100 schools. But I'm planning maybe within 2 years, I expanded more than 100 or 50 schools all Bangladesh. But I would like to make a model first. So that's why I concentrated only 2 or 3 places in Bangladesh. And after making a good model, I can sell Francisco also for Bangladesh. So that's why I'm very restricted this time. I don't sell. I don't make a Francisco for others company. So we founded the NGO in Bangladesh, NPO, Backbone Foundation, and DDG SB Limited. That means Do It Go Ahead Social Business Limited company. So and also we started a mini project, including e-education, e-farming project also. This is our book, 2012, we published. Okay. So this is e-farming project. We started from this year, January, and same thing like a DVD lecture and train up farmers in the island area by projector, and also so this project also supported by JICA from next year. And, yeah, from next year, and we started e-nursing training, e-nursing project. E-nursing means we are trained up nurse in hospital by DVD lecture. And one of NGO in Japan is Kansai. I forget the NGO name, and they are our counterpart. And in the biggest hospital in Dhaka, like Holy Cross Hospital, we are jointly together. We to start the e-nursing training, and we have also e-teachers training.
E-training also.
E-teachers training. So many primary school in the rural area, and the sensei are not so good because they are not so qualified. So we made the DVD contents, the best trainer from Dhaka, and we train up the village area teacher by project DVD. So it's now that's all actually, and I would like to I like to finish with 1-2 minutes because I have to leave, and I'm Ramadan now. I don't eat from yesterday 2 a.m.
18 years
and
he didn't eat.
Yeah, I have to eat now something. So we published 2012 our book. The Do It Go book, and the last 2 weeks ago we published again our another book, this book. So we have total book, and my book is coming in January. So I think I'd like to finish my book. Yeah. And my book is going to publish 3 languages: Bangla, English, and Japanese.
Oh, English and English and Japanese.
So thank you very much again, and actually I don't know.
イーラーニング、それからアグリカルチャー、農業ですね。でこれは JICA が来年からサポートするんですけど、実は私はもうすでに始めてまして、ダッカっていうか、彼の土地から5人ほど、農業をやってくれる人を日本に連れてこようとしています。今その手続き中ですね。実際問題としてどんどんいろんな形で進んでおります。
Actually, Sensei is my advisor, my NPO in Bangladesh. He's the advisor of e-farming and e-education project. Not only e-education, actually my all of project advisor. I made a very small number of advisors, only 5 or 6 from Tokyo University and Kishibashi and Pete University and Sensei. Yeah. So actually this time I don't have enough PC. If you somebody have the second-hand PC, or if you like to donate my project, I think this. Your donation goes directly to students. So I cannot beg you guys anything without accept my smile and students' smile.
スマイルしか皆さんにあげられませんけど、パソコンくださいと。中古でいいから。でね、we have to talk about the tour.
Yeah. And very interesting thing. Last year, 107 Japanese visited to see my project. And every year, last 5 years, more than 600 Japanese visited to see my project, and it's becoming more hot right now. So I think we are going to arrange some trips in Bangladesh, the e-education trips from August 15 to 23. So only 7 days stay in my project area and see my project e-farming, e-education, e-teachers training, and mixing with rural people living rural night area, and I have guest house there also. So only 20,000 yen, the 7 days cost. That's Niman yen. I will finish everything the cost, but you have to bring your transportation, come and back. I'm not sure that how much, but maybe it's 200,000 maybe, but I'm not sure. But it has many steep rate also.
この間私が行った時は確か17万円ぐらいかかったんですね、往復で。 サーチャージがあったりして、これもうちょっと安くならないのかをちょっと人数が増えれば掛け合いますけれども、でここで5人ぐらいいるんだったら私もう一度皆さん連れて一緒に行きますけれどもね、8月15日から23日まで行きたい人手を挙げて。何か飛行機はわずかエアプレインにonly 7 hours?
It's no, it's total 9 hours.
9 hours. あれさ、タイを越えていくからさ、インドだから、昔のエアプレイン大丈夫だよ。
Is it from Japan to Malaysia or Hong Kong? 9 hours. So not now. If you would like to visit, please inform to Sensei.
もし行くんだったら私一緒に行きますよ。
はい。
I said I will go if somebody raise hand. And それでね、最初の日はダッカに泊まります。泊まっていいホテルに泊まって翌日の夜船に乗ります。で船で実は4時間半ぐらい取られていくところなんですけれども、夜の10時を経って実は港に着いて朝の4時ぐらいかな着いてずっと待ってるわけ。夜が明けるまでね。で6時になったらすぐそばのところに彼のゲストハウスがあってそこに行くと、そこに1週間ぐらいいるんですけど、めっちゃくちゃ面白い、あちこち回るのがね。だからダッカに行くと非常に人生が変わるというかね、そんな感じにもなります。でパソコンをまた持っていこうと思ってます。
Okay, thank you very much. Again, actually, my project is separated two parts in Bangladesh. One is the business model, and one is the non-business, non-profit and profit making. So I have another profit-making business in Dhaka with Arizona State University, US, Tanaka Tomomi, and we are started the outsourcing training business and outsourcing business in Bangladesh for female in Dhaka. Many female in Bangladesh they cannot go outside because they are Tomomi Tanaka. She's a professor of Arizona State University. Right now she's a World Bank head of World Bank in the
World Bank.
Agriculture sector. And she's Japanese, half Japanese, half American. So we started together the business. That one the profit making, totally profit making business. And we are getting contact from US and many countries, the outsourcing and the female of Dhaka, they're doing. That's the business. So thank you very much again, and I think
今ビジネスやるのと、それから会社作ってやるのと、それからもう一つ NPO をやるのを2つやってるってことなんでね。でこれアウトソーシングだとかいろんなこと女性の教育だとかそういう形をワールドバンクに田中徹さんの人が応援してくれててやってると。で私両方全部私も彼のアドバイスがあってやってくれってことなんで一生懸命やってるんですけども、ぜひ皆さん一緒に行くと嬉しい面白いんで楽しいんでよろしくお願いします。では新藤さん、疲れてる？はい。歌ってくれる人いたよな。あれどこ行っちゃった？あれ？トイレ行ってる？津軽三味線は今日は国兵じゃないの？津軽三味線持ってきた？やってくれるじゃん。
先生、あと僕と
すみ
えの。
そうだ、すみえ先生だ。じゃあちょっと一緒にお願いします。Today special。どっかにかけるか、ここにかける？
パフォーマンスタイム。
何か、準備して、あとそれからなんだっけ、生け花の。ちょっと触れてたけど、今日なんか疲れてるの？大丈夫？
大丈夫です。
なんか遅かったじゃん。大丈夫？
はい、大丈夫です。
生け花はね、来るのはちょっと遅れてますね。なんか学校に行ってから来るって言ってたんで。ソリ、キャプチュベーティング。なんかしんどいの？歌ちょっとやんないの？ルワンダの歌？後でか。I like your sensei to enjoy the Tsukara Samisen. And then, please. 大丈夫？じゃあ前に出てきて。He's most powerful Tsukara Samisen player. And he has originated many songs by himself in music. The Tsukara Samisen is a sort of the originality is most important. Okay. チラル・ジャミセン、本当に彼、もうめきめき売り出してましてですね、非常に注目を浴びてます。で、ぜひ皆さん、チャンスのある方は、彼の応援団になってください。
どうも、五色優吾と申します。どうぞ一曲だけお付き合いくださいませ。どうぞよろしくお願いします。
本当、僕が禁止やってんだよ、絶対。
では何か曲べきを1曲、もうちょっと高い音でいつも弾いてはいるんですが、あんまり他に、隣の部屋とかで聞こえると、怒られるのは嫌なのでこれぐらいで、弾かせていただきます。ではポッ
かくも聞いてるから。
じゃあいつももう一曲させていただくんですが、最近、歌なんかも覚えまして、ドドイツ、ドドイツ、この顔してドドイツ歌うんだから面白いですけど、知ってます？77775ですね。3000世界のカラスを殺し主と朝寝がしてみたいと高杉晋作が、歌って、坂本龍馬が本にこの世はママにはならぬ、ママになるのは麦ばかりとかつまらないこと言ったり、 して、ますが、まあ、ドドイツ多少艶っぽい方が、それっぽいかなと思いますので。去年の今夜は知らない年今年の今夜はうちの人花は浮気で漕ぎ出す船も風が変われば命がけ。じゃああと1個最後。眠たけりゃ膝を貸します鬼は着せぬ泣くときゃあたしも借りている。どうもありがとうございました。
彼のプロレス初めて聞きました。すごい新しい分野を切り開いた、彼に拍手をお願いします。これ初めて
まあ毎月いろんなところで弾いて、まあ毎月定期なのは、地元の
マヒン君と名刺交換したい人交換して OK それ、
地元の南越谷とあと日本橋の日本酒バーと池袋のワインバーで毎月弾いてます。その他にもいろいろやっておりまして、まあ、今日も川越でライブがあって弾いてきて、そこで売れ残った CD が3枚ありますんで1枚1000円で売っております。はい、ということで、ありがとうございます。
5000円しかねえぞ。
じゃあこっちでやります。
皆さんこれ欲しい人いないかな。俺は買いました。木村さん1枚買うよね。もう前で買った。
池袋のライブに来てくれて。
はいはい買って。俺も1枚買ったから1000円だよ。はい。はい、じゃあこの2人買わせて。
芸者さんってなんて言うんだろう。芸者。
本当彼今ねどんどんなんていうかこうあちこちから評価高くてね、多分あと4、5年経ったらすごいんじゃないかなと思う。ああいう新しいことも始めたんで、すごくなると思います。ありがとうございます。これ前と同じやつ？
違うと思う。
違うか。じゃあ有馬さんにやるかなと思ったけどやめた。いやすごい。いい？大丈夫？ワンモアユーチューレディソング。デンナー。今久しぶりに白井愛子さんが来られたんで歌ってまいります。なんとすごく有名な方の作詞作曲で、彼女の星のなんだっけ？星の花火というものがリリースされたばっかりです。
実は
まだこれからか。でもあれすごい力のある人が作ったんだよね。
そうなんです。
作詞は誰だっけ？
作詞が平井堅さんの楽園っていう曲を
書いた人。
後地誠さんっていう方で、作曲してくださったのがアニメの軽音とか、あとゲームのテイルズシリーズとか、あと歌物だとスマップさんとかあゆきさんとか、正幸さんとか、島谷ひとみさんとかメジャーな方に曲を書いてる。
すごいね。でもすごいだんだんメジャーになってきたな。
は はい、おかげさまで。
自分の詩が良かったじゃない。自分でもね。
ありがとうございます。
もう始める？
はい。
じゃあ皆さん拍手お願いします。新曲。
今、では紹介させていただきました。
はい。
星の花火という新曲ですね。まだCD の発売日がまだ決まってないんですけれども、ちょっともしかしてメジャーで出せるかもしれなくてっていうか、まだ発表できないんですけれど、なのでもしご興味ありましたらお声掛けいただければと思います。よろしくお願いします。星の花火です。まだコーラスが入ってない曲なんですけれども、ぜひ聴いてください。ありがとうございます。小さな石を君と海であの日探した真っ白な石は今も机の上部屋の窓を少し開け斜め見上げ息を吸った咳がこぼれた君とあの日見てた星は花火のようで夢が満ちていた夜の風は君を呼ぶの君の幸せ願って風を抱いた触れて胸が熱くなったあの夏に絡めた指にキスをしてた部屋も全部箱に閉じ込めて思い出たち君にあげる愛しい日々を今夜星はまるで儚い空 ってやってください。ありがとうございます。